Hello, this is ChoWorld. The moment when Bill Gates first met Paul Allen at school went beyond a mere coincidence, as it marked the first time their burning passion for the future converged. At the young age of 18, they shared an innovative vision and a passion for technology, which later provided the decisive foundation for the establishment of Microsoft. At that time, Bill Gates exhibited unconventional behavior that even concerned his parents. His nightly secret coding through the window marked the beginning of his unique focus and creativity. Early Silicon Valley was a culture driven by tech geeks or nerds who spearheaded innovation. However, recently a new term, tech bros, has emerged, and shifts in the style and behavior of young tech professionals are being observed. Bill Gates explains that even amidst these cultural shifts, the essential passion, creative thinking, and deep focus required for technological innovation remain vital. This means that the tech industry is not solely dependent on new trends, but is rooted in long-established fundamental values. In the global health sector, Bill Gates and his foundation have achieved concrete results in HIV treatment, polio eradication, and accelerating vaccine development, among other initiatives. Thanks to the Foundation's efforts, there have been notable outcomes, including a reduction of over 50% in both child mortality and HIV-related deaths, with rapid vaccine development playing a significant role during the COVID-19 pandemic. By citing cases of epidemic outbreak risks in Pakistan, Afghanistan, the Gaza Strip, and Africa, they underscore the absolute necessity for enhancing vaccine supply and healthcare systems. Furthermore, Bill Gates warned that the probability of a naturally occurring epidemic could reach between 10% and 15% within the next 4 years. Bill Gates has maintained close cooperation not only with the US government, but also with major administrations worldwide through his foundation activities. For example, at a dinner lasting over 3 hours with Donald Trump, they engaged in an in-depth discussion on various topics such as public health, technological innovation, government budget management, and zero-based budgeting approaches. These meetings have played a crucial role in achieving significant reductions in child mortality and HIV mortality through collaboration between the private sector and government, and are expected to have a major impact on future policy decisions. Additionally, Bill Gates mentioned that he has never had a direct conversation with Elon Musk and did not attempt to have one in the past 18 months. Nonetheless, over the long term, the two have maintained a shared interest and mutual respect for each other's technological innovations. Bill Gates expressed deep regret and remorse regarding his past encounter with Jeffrey Epstein. At that time, in an attempt to expand his network in the global health field, he tried to engage with Jeffrey Epstein, but ultimately received a negative impact that fell short of expectations. This experience served as an important lesson, reminding him to apply more cautious standards in managing connections and selecting collaborative partners. US-China relations go beyond simple economic competition and are deeply linked with complex global issues such as climate change, health, terrorism, and bioterrorism. Bill Gates analyzes that both countries can strengthen technological innovation, economic development, and international security simultaneously by devising a win-win strategy for mutual benefit. He emphasizes that such a cooperation model is expected to greatly contribute to global economic stability and the management of international crises, and that both the United States and China must recognize the need for cooperation from a long-term perspective. Bill Gates' childhood was marked by atypical behavior that differed from common societal norms. By today's diagnostic standards, it is possible that he exhibited traits that could be considered on the autism spectrum. In fact, Bill Gates would sneak out of his window at night, evading his parents, to immerse himself in coding, a behavior that was not understood at the time, but played a significant role in developing his exceptional focus and creative thinking. These experiences provided the decisive foundation for his later emergence as a world-class technological innovator, and today his behavior is being re-evaluated as a crucial basis for innovative thinking and creativity. This was ChoWorld Economic News.